tells a different story. So I want to start with that only. But you know that we have, there's a Nobel Prize for Peace for there. Gandhiji was nominated for 3 to 4 times for Nobel Prize, but Nobel Committee said it's beyond their parameter to award him. So they have their own there. So they want to award him, and so due to some, they are respected. Even you go to Geneva, correct? Geneva, no? Stockholm. If you go to Stockholm at Nobel Museum, they have Gandhiji's photo and images, as well as this few collections is also available there. But they also sell Gandhiji few items. One of the items which I purchased from there was this. This is a magnet of a fridge magnet, or you can say, so which is very popular, and they reprint and all that. This is the maximum time people when they go there, they buy this, and I only ends up making the whole world right, because this message suits with the Nobel philosophy and also there. So this is a very popular as well as a well accepted quotation of Gandhiji, which even the Nobel Committee follows this, and they have whenever they do any peace award, they try to see that this is always, you must have seen whenever the peace award is given, the first parameter is this only, whether that violence is there or not. So you can always see this one there. Comes next, anything next coming question. Okay. See, these are the two special covers from Karnataka from Belgaum. Why Gandhiji is reported as Belgaum? In 1924 December, Gandhiji, very few people know, Gandhiji was elected as a president of Indian National Congress, and that happened in Belgaum. So in Belgaum we have two special covers. I have not been to Belgaum at all, but people say there's a very good statue there at Belgaum.
Can I add one point, just for information? Rarely you see a road by name Congress Road.
Okay.
Belgaum has one road by name Congress Road.
Congress Adhiveshan was held there.
Yes.
So one of the main reasons that Congress Adhiveshan
I
was
have
held.
been there for a year and a half.
Okay.
One part of my
So
life.
these are the two special covers that are also there from Karnataka.
Other significance of Belgaum conference is that is the only Indian National Congress meeting where he presided as a president. No other meeting he has presided as a president.
One more point, as I recollect, there is a well-known place by name Congress Well. I may not be able to talk more on that. I can update and talk. Congress Ball in Kannada, Congress Well, apart from Congress Road. Continues.
Okay, so these are the two special covers of released by Karnataka Postal Circle, and the first cover is always very rare to get. Whenever you are, even Gandhi collector also wants and Karnataka collectors also want. So this is a recent one. These are the two covers which are special covers, very important for the Gandhi collectors. Next. Okay. Next comes to Porbandar. See, it's very, everyone knows the Gandhiji born in Porbandar. So Porbandar is a place is famous for two people birth. Can you name it one other than Gandhiji? No. Kasturba is also, maybe, I don't not check it. Other person is Sudama, Krishna friend. So again what happened, you find that we also have a permanent pictorial cancellation also from the birthplace of Gandhiji with there. But these are the three covers which I just acquired. These are the 1948 covers, but all three have Porbandar postmark. And very rarely you find that Porbandar postmark on the different covers. So and that cover is really interesting with the Gandhiji 1.5 hours spent with the 15 August 48 with the Porbandar cancellation. So this makes a very different story if anybody is exhibiting. So when you start with the Porbandar place of birth, and most of the time Gandhi collectors don't use this. I don't know why. If they don't have, or they may not be knowing about it, so they don't use this. These are the three Porbandar postmark, and the first one is with Gandhiji and the other one on 3 steps. story. See, these are the stems. These are not connected with Gandhiji. But Gandhiji is everywhere. That's something which I always tell. Gandhiji everywhere. If you see these stems, these were released on the different events and the different purpose. The first, this was released on for the Philately Day. And it was not on Gandhi Jayanti Day, but both, there are also 48 stamp and 69 stamp is used in that there. So this was then released on human rights along with the Mandela and Mother Teresa and Abraham. Abraham Lincoln. No, okay, this is another, so another you find Gandhiji there. So this is the stamp of Reserve Bank of India. As you know, all our Gandhi, our paper currency have a Gandhi images on that, and there also you find they have used the Gandhi note at the other side. You will find the Gandhi image on this RBI stamp. The next one is Scindia School. The Scindia School is a sea current stamp, one of the most costly stamp and the most difficult stamp. If you do a mapping of this Gandhi, this sea current stamp, you will find lot of element in this. One of the element of this is that Gandhi statue is there at the back side. In the school, if you go and enter that school, you will find that Gandhiji statue is there, and that stamp is also visible on this stamp. The next one is, we have a philanthropic exhibition. So we have in there, the person is referring as taking the Gandhi stamp, small one, 1969 Gandhi stamp, he is seeing there. Then another stamp is very interesting one, Dakshin Bharat Hindi Mahasabha. About 4 years back, they have a celebration with the child, the love. So this stamp is also with the Gandhi. The next one is this of Mr. Agarwal, and another one is
Jaglal Chaudhary.
These two stamps, these are both our freedom fighters, but they walk with the Gandhiji at the Dandi March. So here also Gandhi, you will find Gandhiji here, and also in this also you will find the Gandhiji there. The last one is very interesting. They recently Ayush Bharat, some all Ayurvedic doctors and all that we are there. Again, his name is
Dinshaw Mehta.
Dinshaw Mehta was Ayurvedic consultant for Gandhiji. Here also you will find the Gandhiji in this. Another one more stamp is very important, which I am not able to show you today because in one way it doesn't come. All of you have the block of 4 of Indian National Congress. In that also you will find the Gandhiji as the president stamp there. So these are the stamps you will find as interesting stamps, but somehow most of the Gandhi collectors ignore them. But these makes the Gandhiji story very interesting in the point of view of philanthropy. Next. Okay, now these are the stamp cancellation and postmark with Gandhiji with Lathi. So all these stamps have the feature, maybe some stamps are repeated. The Lathi you will find Gandhiji Lathi in all this postmark as well as the stamps. Gandhiji Lathi, even this when special cover came, they made an artificial Lathi also on this. The small stick they take there with a bamboo and put there. So this also all of you will find Gandhiji Lathi in that. Next, this recently I got it. I can't read it in Tamil. This is one of the magazine page of Tamil magazine.
This says actually King that is.
It's about the textile.
It says King of
Gandhi. And I really appreciate the work of a collector. So he's taken that advertisement from that magazine, and that day he's taken 2-12, I think so. 2-10-12. 2001. That sea challenge stamp he has used, along with the cancellation got it done on this, and Gandhiji in the jail doing fasting. And that maybe I think this magazine maybe due to from Madurai, because from there only he start wearing the khadi there. Maybe this because I don't much have a time to understand and study what. But this I find is another really good item. I think if I got this item before my giant book, I may have used it. But this I acquired. This recently, and even that Porbandar, those 3 covers, I've acquired recently only, not otherwise I should have used in my GI report. Next.
Sir, can I interrupt here if you don't mind? I see rarely Gandhi mistakes.
Yes.
Just for a change.
Correct, correct. You're right.
For me, it more looks like Ben Kingsley rather than.
Sorry.
For me, it more looks like Ben Kingsley rather than Gandhi.
Could be.
This is the last one, sir.
This is the last one. I have some more there with me, but I'm not telling a scan because what happened, Gandhiji, the best stamp is from the UNO. United Nations has released the best stamp on Gandhiji. I'm not able to show you today. I have carrying with me. See, Gandhiji can speak in all subjects, and that is the only stamp from UNO where this talk of the UNO understood the Gandhiji importance about the environment. So he was, Gandhiji believed in sustained development. So that when UN 150 years of independence, the UNO released the stamp on Gandhiji that talks about Gandhiji quotation on environment. I'm carrying it today. I can show you that one. So I think very important about the Gandhiji is that there's enough materials available. So if anyone wants to collect Gandhiji, it's not necessary you have to buy a costly material on Gandhiji. We have many more stamps on Gandhiji and special covers are available, or even on postal stationery. So never think that Gandhi collection, and be sure I tell you always, I am observing from last 15 years, very few collector gets the award. Most of the collector get Gandhi award silver only. They can't get more than that silver. But the reason behind is that why they are not able to get Gandhi awards and exhibitions and all that, because they don't follow the philosophy and the story of Gandhiji. So they keep on the scare item, rare item, costly item. See, if you really make the timeline and do that Gandhi exhibit, it will be you don't need much material, more material. In 3 to 3 frames you can do justice and make a very good exhibit on Gandhiji, which will be award winning as well as satisfying also to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Probably I'll just add what